Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. In this video, let's talk about the VIJIM brand new VL100C pocket light. So this LED light has even more LED compared with the VIJIM VL100, but at the same time, because it was designed to be a pocket light, it is even smaller and more compact compared with the VL100. This is all what is included in the package. This is the main body of the LED light and two converters. This is a double cold shroom mount that help you to multi-connect multiple VL100C to one to another. So you can have a very large LED panel simply with dozens of VL100C. This one is also a cold shroom mount adapter that will help you have a tilt control on the top of your camera. So that will give you a more reasonable angle to shoot your face or shoot some other stuff. That will give you a very good rotation. You can have more control on the LED light. Both of this cold shroom mount converter have a quarter-inch mount on the bottom, as you can find here. On the back, we can see that it was Ulanzi International Group. VIJIM is the brand of the Ulanzi Group. It has 2000 milliamp inside this tiny little body, and to control the temperature from 2500K to 6500K. So it is even wider compared with the VL100. You can turn it on or off. On the side of the VL100C, there are altogether 4 cold shroom mounts, 1, 2, 3, 4. And you can apply this cold shroom mount adapter to any one of the cold shroom mounts. You can place the light horizontally like this, or you can place the light vertically. It's up to you. It is more flexible. Compared with the size, you can see it's thinner compared with the VL100, and it's even smaller compared with this one. This one has 81 LED light. Inside this body, it has 100 LED light. It's a diffuser on the top. It's not removable. And the side is a Type-C charging port, color temperature from warm tone to cold tone. This one is a dim, can control the brightness. Now let's open this light. And let's turn to the warm and rotate to the top. We can turn it to a cooler tone, and we can control the brightness. We'll rotate like this, it will be brighter, and we'll rotate like that, we'll lower down the brightness a little bit. When you're working at the lowest brightness and you want to switch back between warm and cool tones, you don't have to worry about the brightness. So this is all about VL100C, the VIJIM pocket light. This is designed to be a pocket light, just fit in your hand. Let's take a look at the comparison. The VL100, VL100C, and yeah, this is a smaller, compact, and more functionality, more extendability. But one thing I've noticed is that with this cold shroom mount adapter like this, you can only double connect this VL100C with another VL100C. You cannot connect with the VL100 because the cold shroom mount design is a little bit different. That is all about the VL100C, the pocket bi-color LED light. It has altogether 100 colorful LED and 2 cold shroom mount adapter with a tilt control, 2000 milliamp. Yeah, and it's also very cheap. I hope this video will be helpful. Please thumb up, subscribe, and hit notification bell. More to come in the future. Until next time, bye.